Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today's workout is a cardio core standing workout. It's just a 16-minute workout. We're gonna get right into this. So you can use this as an add-on, or maybe you just wanna do this in the nighttime to finish off your day or start your day. Equipment is gonna be 1 pound wrist weights. We're using LaceUps and ankle weights. They're weighing in around 3 pounds. This can be no equipment, so you can just use your amazing body. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Do make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you do not miss any new workouts. And if you want more content, over 200 additional workouts, make sure you click that join button below. Roll your shoulders back. Set that intention. You're gonna have a great workout, right? Yeah, let's do this. Come on. Woo, we're gonna be alternating knees. Right, left. You can do bigger arms, or just keep them quiet if you're warming up. So we're gonna work for 40 seconds, and then it's a quick 8-second transition to get to the next move. We'll do 2 rounds, 10 movements. As you pull the knee up, really use that waist. You don't necessarily have to drop your chest down, more knee up. We're taking 2 steps over to the left. Looks like this. I'm gonna take 2 over, knee kick, and then back. Knee kick, over. You can do 1 chest fly, 1 knee, 1 kick, 1 knee. Everything's 1, right? Front kick, finish that knee kick, front kick, tap back. So right and left, kick, tap. Then you can do some boxing arms. And if you want more, maybe the knee comes up higher and you kick it out a little bit more, right? Those legs, right, they're attached deep in your waist. Shake it out. We got a left. Ready? Kick tap. Get a good range of motion with your legs and your arms.
When I look at you like that, you lose it completely. Losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason.
We got 4 side kicks, and then 4 times we're gonna slam the ropes. 4, 3, 2, slam rope left, right. 4, 3, kick right, left. Slam left, right. Softness in your knees. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it? Yeah, shoulders back, your eyes are up, march it out. Woo! Rear leg right. Rear lift right here. lift, knee, press the heel back. I was having so much fun with that last move. I wasn't ready to move on. How about you? Press it back, knee comes up. So I'm doing a straight leg, engaging the glute. All that's connected into your core here. Control that movement. You can add punches again. All right, shake it out. Woo. Get your left leg ready. Back and knee. Press. Your feet should land softly on the ground. Come on, squeeze that booty in the back. Switch, tap, knee, and switch, out, in, out, in.
You can never sleep in traffic. There's living steady panic. I know 'cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits.
Keep your chin up, eyes are lifted.
You tell me with the two hands.
Lateral to that right side. Drop, lift. A little bend in the knee. And then push off.
I guess I'm just too fake for that.
You can go as low as you want to, or maybe make it smaller. Or maybe you're touching the ground. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Yeah. Oh, that's much harder, right? If you're touching the ground, you cannot round your back. You gotta let your chin be lifted and your chest open. Come on, lift that leg. Woo! Oh yeah. We're gonna go that way. How about you? Over and up. Maybe you start small, and then you work your way into that deeper lunge.
You tell me with the two hands, I'm too bad.
Or do you go for it? Come on. There it is. Or maybe you lift your leg a little more. Have some effort in the lift. Feel the difference? Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna go back to the top, knees up, right, left. Figure eights.
So take it till we feel the you never listen, think too fast. But
if you have even a light dumbbell, you can hold on to that.
So sit down, listen, think for a minute. Know it might be hard.
More knee up. You don't need to drop your chest down. I'll turn to the side. Start on this side. 2 laterals. Knee, kick, knee.
It ain't about fake friends. And screw your ex, is such a flake. Forget your grades, you need a break. You, it's all about you. No matter what the others say. But now
Over,
I'm talking to
knee,
lights on me. I
kick,
tell you I
knee.
guarantee these nights about to take a turn for the better. Now the rain is pouring and all I see is lightning around my feet. Now nothing can bring me down. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna
Finish it off right here.
I just wanna
Front kick, tap back. Right, punch it out. All right, you guys, can you just give me a little bit more of that kick? Knee comes up, chamber it out. Chin off the chest.
It ain't about money, it ain't about the coolest job. It's about having fun and love the ones that makes you shine.
Pull up and in your waist, that brace.
It's all about you,
Like when you cough really hard.
no matter what the others say. But now I'm done talking to lights on me. I tell you I guarantee.
Oh, yeah.
these nights about to take a turn
Get ready.
for the better. Now the
Okay,
rain
tap back.
is pouring and all I
Punches if you want
see
to.
is lightning around my feet. Now nothing can bring me down.
Turn it up.
Talking the lights on
Woo,
me.
shake it out. All right, did you feel your heart rate come up there? Yeah? We kick 4, 4, 3, 2, go to the left battle ropes. Side. Throw it down. Woo! Oh, that was a fun move. I like that move, didn't you? Tap, knee, and switch. Cross punches or corner punches. Light on those balls of the feet. Yeah. Lateral to that right side and lift off. Now I really want you to lift your leg, all right? Down and up. Drop. Lift that leg. Get it up. There's a difference by just pushing off and lifting. What are you doing? Yeah, you better be lifting. Or I'm coming over to your house. And I'm gonna lift that leg up. Yeah, workout police coming into you. Woo! Lift it up. These are the last 2 moves, you guys. Great job. I need a little shake out. How about you? Over here. Lift it up. Land softly. Lift through the torso when you lift your leg. Oh, yeah. It's getting a little hot in that hip, right? Your obliques.
Living with passion. I live with stars. I keep my head steady.
Relax. So we got two moves. Rear leg, rear knee. I don't want to forget anything. Yeah, come on. Press it back, lift it up. You can change your palms up. This move is not only great for your glutes, but your erector spinae, along your spinal cord. If you're sitting all day, we need them to be strong. One more leg. Oh, I feel like I'm holding my breath there a little bit here. Back leg, front knee. Back, knee. Press.
I think you're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy.
Lift and squeeze back there.
Hate that I treated you badly. Not much to do except apologize.
Ooh, the sweat is dripping. How about you at home?
No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall.
Sweat is so good. It's very healthy for us.
No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work, didn't fit. And I think you were right, I admit. I did.
Oh yeah, shake it out.
I hope
Ooh.
you hear me through.
We're gonna be cooling it down here. Little step touch.
So I gotta tell the truth.
Yeah, nice job, you. Nice job, you. Double tap. Left and right. All right, plant the feet. Little squats. Drop. Rise up. Watch the knees. Down and hold. Hold. Rise up. Do it again. Hold it. Rise it up. Right arm, side reach. Oh, the weight's gonna help you get a little bit more length and stretch there. Switch that arm. Left arm, reach it up. Left leg, step it back and lunge. Drop in the hips. Hand can go on the thigh and one hand on the ground. Pull it in, hamstring stretch. Or pyramid. Step in, switch legs. Give me that lunge, hand on the knee. Move the hips. Here's that hamstring, hold the back foot in, or you can call it pyramid. Step it in, drop into a ball, hug your biceps by your outside of the knees here, and then drop your chin down. Roll yourself up. Reach it out, reach it up. Reach it back. And pull it into that heart, and this will do one more big inhale here. Have that attitude of gratitude for all that your body can do for you. Look at what I just did. Big inhale. And let it go. You did amazing. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I'm gonna take off my wrist weights before I give you a, you better take yours off because I don't wanna get hurt with those things. Yeah, super top, Catherine. So good to have you on the driveway. I'm so happy to have you guys with us. If you enjoyed the workout, thumb it up, comment below, share this with a friend, and do it again, right? You could do it every day to get yourself on track. We'll see you at the next workout, you guys. Take care.
I can't